Are you struggling to make your content more eye-catching? That's where I come in. I make things look awesome in 3D. Hello there, I am Firuz Kabir Ashik. I am a 3D motion graphic designer with over 6 years of experience. During my career, I have worked on all sorts of projects. I love taking ideas and make them in 3D visuals that will grab your attention. In my portfolio, you can see the stuff I have done. It's not just about fancy graphics, it's about making your stuff look better, which will sell better. It's about giving the message to your audience in a more exciting and understandable way using 3D technology. I can do 3D product modeling, texturing, lighting, animation and rendering for you. Whatever product you have, if you have a clear vision, then I can make a 3D video about it. Also, not only product, I did some architectural projects too. When I'll work on your project, it will be a team effort. I'll listen to what you want and we'll make it happen together. Your success is what matters most. Don't just take my word for it, check out what people I have worked with have to say. They have seen how I can make things stand out. If you need someone to make your visuals pop and your content shine, I am here for you.